A lot of the media that we've been hearing, a lot of news and the data that we've been intaking drives us to the point to where we have less confidence in what's happening in the future. The war doesn't help, the inflation doesn't help, supply chain doesn't help, COVID and China just reopening, reducing from 3 weeks down to 10 days, things like that just haven't helped with consumers' confidence. But also we have to remember we're in an election, we're in a midterm right now, and markets are typically volatile during times of election. So until a lot of these things play out, I think we're going to see more of the same around volatility as well as consumer confidence. It wouldn't be unusual if we saw a bottom in Q3, just if you look at historically how long bear markets typically last. So whether or not that happens, as of today or a quarter from now or 2 quarters from now, I think what we're trying to determine is what that bottom is going to look like in terms of how fast it happens and how much further we have to fall. But investors should really be looking at the portfolio overall and looking for opportunity and looking to buy as we're approaching the bottom, as opposed to sitting back and not doing anything, for sure. I think that a recession is likely. I think that is likely in the near term. Again, that's the narrative that we've been hearing, and that is why consumer confidence is low. It's not guaranteed. The Fed is doing everything that they can, as well as the markets adjusting and accounting for and pricing in an expected downturn. And as we go into earnings season, again, I think there's going to be a lot of opportunity, a lot of companies that surprise, and a lot of companies that disappoint because they were too optimistic about what this environment and how they'd be able to perform in this environment.